Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a tatami circle. It's a quick and easy method of making a bouquet armature. So to get started with the tatami circle, I'm going to be using the Smithers Oasis 1/4 inch flat wire. It can be any color. I chose to go with the lime green because it's really nice and fresh. You also need the bind wire. I've already got them cut. There's 6 pieces cut in, I would say it's probably a 2 foot plus length. I also have 4 number 18 gauge wire that's being taped with light green floral tape. I have a little bit of U-glue dashes cut in half, and also my tools. So to get started with this, I love the fact that it's a continuous nature of the wire makes it possible to make this really actually pretty quick and easy. It makes for a great bouquet armature. So to get started, what you want to do is to create the first initial circle on the inside. And I'm going to take a piece of U-glue dash, a half a tab, and place it on the very tip. And I'm going to sort of make it stick together so that it's the precise size that I want. And then I'm going to take the 6 pieces of bind wire and go all the way around. And in order to do that, I want to just kind of half this so that they're even on both sides. So maybe like this. I can start with the first one to place just exactly where the seam that we just created just a moment ago. Right at that seam, I am going to actually take this wire and I would go 1, 2, 3. Place this next one directly opposite at 180 degrees, and 1, 2, 3. And then place the 2 in between. 2 more pieces, approximate, evenly placed in between those 2 at 180 degrees. This is really not unlike what we did with the 3D Midollino piece, except for we're working in flat so that you create a flat circle rather than built up in 3D. It gives you a great look in your hand-tie bouquet, or to create a focal emphasis area in a design by creating a sort of a bullseye circle in the design. And then I'm just going to go and add this to the next layer. So the second round of circle. The wire is very malleable, so it makes it possible for it to shape in that concentric circle. So all you have to do is just do the 1, 2, 3 twist so that it gives you the equal spacing all the way around. And we're coming around to where we started. And I'll just give you a little peek at what it should look like. So this is how it starts, like this. So from here on, we're just going to continue until you attain the size that you want for your bouquet structure. So with just a repetition with each layer of wire till it's complete. So I'm just coming to the end. I will just finish off by taking half a tab of U-glue and attach the end of this flat wire to the former surface. This is basically what we have here. Now what I'm going to do is just tighten these up all the way around like this. So it's nice and tight so it doesn't slide. And then I'm going to snip off these wire. So the handle is going to be just these taped 18 gauge wire. And I'm going to just basically run it so that it is maybe taped right in here. And bring that down. And then we're going to just spread this out. All you need is really 4 prongs with this one because this is wire and it holds its own pretty good. See now already, I'm going to take actually this extra little bits of fine wire that's left over. It's 4 pieces exactly. And I'm going to attach the structure to the wire. And to just make it just that little bit more secure on the 2 cross pieces that rides right over the bind wire, I am going to attach it in one more spot. So that's solid. I can just go ahead and so you have a bouquet holder. Now you can thread your flowers in through here and make a beautiful, it also has a coloring that could be somewhat exposed, so it looks really quite beautiful. And by the way, there's the Midollino version of it. So really, with the Midollino, you're going to do exactly the same technique. So you could see how quick and simple that was. And with a continuous wire, the flat wire like this, it was really easy. You didn't have to seam it or anything like that. And you have a nice quick bouquet armature that's quick to make. So if you enjoyed this quick video, don't forget to like and subscribe.